All right, let's go ahead and get started for today. Could I get a designated note taker?
I'm happy to do it.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate that.
No problem.
Do we have any new faces today? I don't see any. All right. In that case, let's hop right into our first agenda item, which is outstanding RFCs. There's only the one this week, and that is the proposed additional JVMs in Java build pack. If I recall correctly, this is in FCP and it has all of the approvals that it needs. So just need to reach out to probably David, maybe Dan, and I guess just merge this.
Yeah, I think it's finally ready.
Perfect. In that case, then, Kevin, do you want to reach out to them and get this merged, or would you like me to?
No, I'll do it.
All right, perfect. In that case, then I think we are at the end of all of our currently open RFCs. I think it's a little slow right now, but that is okay because there's still plenty of work to do. All right. In that case, next up we have CMB updates and questions. I don't have any CMB updates to bring to the table. I think that there are some representatives at KubeCon, but I don't know that that's like particularly important to mark down. In that case, then let's move on to project updates. And we have one right here. And it is Builder Jammy build packlist static.
Yeah, it's a mouthful. So this came out a few weeks ago, but I missed a couple of working group meetings. Just wanted to announce it for anyone that hasn't seen it. This is a build packless static stack builder. So it's essentially almost an empty Docker image with like time zone and CA certificate packages. And we did validate via the Rust build pack that you can actually build a statically linked binary on this. We haven't got any build packs in this because we haven't actually got any of the fully supported build packs to build static images. Golang would be the obvious choice, but we haven't made that like work yet. So it's just a build packless builder for now, but if anyone has any use for it, it's there. I think for memory, it's like 12 megabytes or like 7 megabytes or something like that, the resultant image.
Your build binary itself is almost going to double that.
Yeah, the life cycle is like the vast majority of it. Yeah, the Rust, the person who built the Rust static app, it was like 17 total, and I think like 7 of that was their like their binary. 6 of it, or 3 of it was like the life cycle, and the rest was like time zone data.
Awesome. It's a great update. Thank you. And finally, we have open notes and discussion questions. Oh,
Sorry, I'm just pre-typing my question.
well, for sure.
So the RFC to add some new repos for the UBI work landed, and some repos were created. The one thing I'm a little bit stuck on is the repo's empty, and so it doesn't let me fork it. Or there's some discussion in the Slack channel that taking what we have and making one big PR would be good, but I just wondering if there's something I'm missing in terms of I guess, you know, is there an alternate to forking and making a PR that way?
I think probably the easiest thing to do would be to have a Node.js maintainer go in here and just slam a README on top of this, and then you can fork the repo and do whatever you want from there. I guess, Rob, it's probably a good call out as a builder maintainer. One of us should probably go in and do the same thing with builders. I think that, and stacks if that hasn't been done as well.
Okay, thanks.
I'm sorry. Ozzy told me about this last week, and I totally forgot to to go in and add those. So that is, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem. I thought it was just a good place to mention it with people live, so that's good.
Are there any other discussion questions that people have? All right, really short one this week. Thank y'all.
Thanks. Talk
Thanks,
to everybody later.
Forrest.